Get name of columns where true in pandas data frame. Suppose I have the following pandas data frame. And I want, for each id, get the name of the columns where true, the final dict would be. I think maybe it is possible with a group by replacing true with the name of the column and them aggregating it with list, but I couldn't come up with a solution. Edit. If it is all false for an id, then just return an empty list.
Try with melt then groupie.
Another way is good, old apply, then to underscore dict. Output.
You could try setting ID as the index, stacking, filtering for only true values, then, using a default dict, get your dictionary. I reckon that it may be a bit faster than at Ben_Yo's awesome solution. As always, your mileage may vary. If the ID has all false, you can an extra step, after running the code above.